Feeling lost with all these free AI tools? You're not alone. Most beginners don't know how to put them together into a real business. Using free AI tools is exciting, but without a plan, it's easy to feel stuck. Here is the exact prompt I typed. Feel free to pause if you want to copy it. In seconds, ChatGPT gives me a clear outline of what to create: content, visuals, and products that can actually be packaged together for a starter project. You could combine these elements yourself to get a taste of building a business without spending a dime. But the challenge is knowing what to prioritize and how to turn this into something that actually works. That's where the AI Business Builder Challenge comes in. Delivered in 5 beginner-friendly episodes, it shows you how to organize all these pieces into a step-by-step plan to launch your AI-powered business efficiently. Along with the challenge, you also get bonuses like a one-on-one AI strategy call and a copy and paste database of tested AI prompts to save you hours of guesswork. Stop juggling tools without a plan. The AI Business Builder Challenge helps you turn free AI tools into a complete starter kit for less than 20 bucks. I have dropped the link in the description so you can get started today.